Alright, welcome back everybody. So today we're going to be replacing the siding. We're going to put Hardie up. We're going to take this off. But we're going to take this off and encase this window today. So here we go. Alright, so we've got all the siding off. Now we're going to go on and put up OSB and then some more hard paper. Then the actual Hardie.
Alright, well, he's gotten most of the OSB up on the thing. He still has to do this strip here. And we have had to bring out the lights because the sun is going down. So, we're going to keep going. Alright, we have rain coming in, so we got to get this Tyvek up, or, you know, Lowe's brand of moisture barrier up on the wall. Alright, well that went up fast. Tommy just needs to put a bunch of staples on it.
Yeah, I'm just about ready to play the hell with it.
Okay, on that note. Hey y'all, my hair is crazy. We're getting 60 mile per hour winds out here at times, so I just came out here real quick to show you that before, let me turn the camera around. Before the rain started, we did get this much done, and we're gonna have to finish it this week. Got 2 sheets of Hardie nailed up, got all the Tyvek, Lowe's Tyvek, you know what I mean, the house wrap. We got the house wrap up, and we put that one down there to keep the wind from blowing the wrap off. So we'll get back to it again after work today.
So we go from nice weather yesterday to, hey, it's time to pull out the heater, buddy, to get warm.
So you're ready to cut out the window?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Are you trying to get warm too? You trying to eat my toes? Sunlight.
There's your window with the view.
Cool.
Got a hummingbird?
No, it's a wren.
2 inches.
Are you measuring twice and cutting once?
Nope. Something like that. So I need to measure right there. That out. That sawhorse.
Pull it out?
Yeah.
Like towards me?
Towards me.
Towards you.
I like to have something underneath of it.
Too bad you don't have two more sawhorses sitting right there.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work.
No? You could at least put them on that edge that you're keeping. I know they're rotten, but... give it some support. I'm gonna go lock up the chickens. Get all that trash from my grandkids. How many we got in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We're missing 2. There's 12.
How many you got?
Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
One, two, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, which 2 are we missing? Yeah, it's gonna be best to watch your eyes. I'll take it and lean it against the house for right now. Gotta get everything set.
Okay. Where's your voiceover? All right, we got one more piece of Hardie to go up. And look, it's like 8:30 at night. Completely dark.
Just remember, guys, when your wife says, hey, let's do Hardie, go buy her a diamond ring or a new car.
Very funny. Tonight we are moving on to getting the trim on this window here. And yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You had it set for the Hardie dinner?
Yeah. Dang.
Still not going in. Yep, this is gonna be a good night. At least the screws go in.
Yeah, like it did. It walked a little bit on me. Well.
Nothing some caulk won't fix.
Yep.
The window is done. It's trimmed in.
What?
You gotta say they ain't going nowhere. You gotta say something.
I'm not done yet. Go ahead, put a couple more notes.
Alrighty. Alright. All the Hardie trim is up. Now we have to address that little section right there where we had to take that siding down. And then we'll be done for the night.
Oh, I know why it looks, why I'm looking at it so hard. Because I got a big hump right there.
Alright, we have finally, after 9 years, finished the back of the house. Well, okay, we're not finished, but we are finished replacing all the lower half, the siding that we were going to replace on the lower half, and then we have another plan for the top part. Let me show you what we've gotten done. What are you doing?
Well, I'm just 5-gallon bucket so I can clean that out when I take it off.
Oh. Alright, so we've got all the siding put up. Tommy's apparently peeping at me. Here's the trim. There's a moth. And here's the trim around the window. I started caulking, but I haven't finished. And then up there, we're probably going to put cedar shakes, shingles, whatever you call them, but we haven't decided yet. So that's for another day. But we got this part done, and I'm going to put up the before. And you can see that, and now you can see the after. Huge improvement. So, and I haven't decided on what color to paint it yet. I was going with that new beigier color, but I'm told I should go back to that green that you see right there and just keep going with that green. So, tell me what you think. Let me show you the two choices. So this is the color. Can you hear me over the fan, hopefully? This is the color I had originally started with, and this is the color I had changed to because I was convinced it would make our house cooler. So do you like the green or the beige color? Which one should I use to paint the whole house? So that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.